Hello there, everyone. So, this reading is for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. So, I do not read any reversals in. I will not be reading any cards that pop out. So, Cancer, we're going to pick into your love and relationship. Right. So, this is for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. So first, I'm gonna draw three cards, and then from there, we'll try to ask uh clarificatory questions. Then we're going to ask for an outcome and what actions you can take. Oops. All right, your first card is Strength. Seven of Pentacles and Ace of Swords. So in the past, a relationship could have drained all your strength, or maybe you had to be strong in your past relationship. So they take it how it resonates. Pwede naman you have just been strong in the past, diba? And now you're you're in that place, where you're thinking, is all my effort still worth it? No. So again, we're reading for Cancer, and we're trying to pick in their love and in the love and relationship aspect of their life, of your life, Cancer. And I can see in the near future, you could be having a new beginning with the Ace of Swords. um this new beginning could be about a new idea, no? Parang sudden thought, no? Parang aha moment for you, no? Out of nowhere, nagkaroon ka ng idea regarding your love life, relationship. Pwedeng, pwedeng maisip mo na, parang hindi na worth it to. So, let's clarify the strength. So, these are both positive cards, no? You could be really happy in this relationship. Could be really satisfied, no, in this relationship. So, okay, let's clarify the Sun. So, the strength is clarified by the Sun, a really positive card. Page of Cups. So, you could be fulfilled in terms of uh, the emotional aspect of the relationship, no? So, I said na I will not be reading cards that will pop out. So, I'll just be putting it back in the deck. So, let's clarify the Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles is clarified by the Knight of Wands. A really passionate knight right here, no? Parang rushing, no, with a lot of emotions. So this could be a person in your life, or this could actually be you, no? You're really passionate, no? You're really putting in the effort, but you're trying to ask yourself, is this still worth it? Well, anyway, you're happy, you're satisfied. No? Um, Later, we'll try to see what could be the challenge, no, in this relationship or in your love life in general. Let's try to clarify first the Knight of Wands. Sorry. Knight of Wands, clarified by the Knight of Pentacles, another Knight. No, Knights could be messenger. No? So, I'm trying to sense ano ba yung sinasabi nitong card sa atin. Kasi, no, messenger, ideas, could be having a lot of thoughts right now about this relationship. This person, no, yung other person could have offered you something, rushing to offer you something, or it could also be you. Again, take it how it resonates. No, you could be rushing towards someone to offer that pentacle. So let's clarify the Ace of Swords. Okay, the Ace of Swords is clarified by the Nine of Cups. You're trying to find your fulfillment. But what I couldn't understand is you could have been in a really fulfilling relationship, or siguro another idea, no, na naisip ko, kasi you got the Page of Cups, and Page of Cups could also mean uh, or signify imagination, no? Kasi etong Page of Cups, no, so you can see meron siyang cup na hawak, and then yung fish dun sa loob, parang historically, it it could mean na, or the history of the tarot says that this fish right here could be his imagination. Now, eh, I'm trying to see this as the past, no? Ito. Tinitignan ko siya as past. So, this could mean na in the past, no, you could have been uh trying or dreaming of having a really fulfilling relationship. But I am not sure, no, nakuha mo nga ba yung relationship na yon? Were you successful, no, in actually having that fulfilling, that satisfying relationship? Kasi in the near future, no, can see na magkakaroon ka ng idea on how something could be fulfilling for you, or you're trying to find your fulfillment. So let's clarify the Nine of Cups. Let's clarify the Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups is clarified by the Page of Wands. So you are trying to grow. Maybe you have a sudden parang epiphany, no? Yeah, you will have an epiphany on how to expand your horizon. You could be uh trying to meet people, for example, kasi that's how you expand your horizon, diba, in terms of relationship. Parang you will try to socialize. So pag nakita natin yung Three of Cups dito, then that could be the message for you. So let's try to clarify the Page of Wands. The Page of Wands is clarified by the Seven of Cups. So you will have a lot of choices, no? After of planning to expand your horizon, you're maybe looking at uh, looking at your options, or uh, this page, no, page of wands, yun nga yung pag-expand mo, trying to look for relationship maybe, that could give you a lot of options, no, with the seven of cups. Now, let's try to clarify kasi medyo bothered ako sa past mo. What really happened in the past? Let's just try to go back a bit para sabi ko I will not be reading any pop-outs pero uh you could have been hurt in the past, no? Puwedeng hindi mo nga nakuha yung fulfillment mo, puwedeng it's all in your imagination, no? It is just an idea. Oh, what was the challenge in this relationship? Uh, hmm, it's clarified by the magician. I don't think na you were successful in having a solid relationship or a satisfying relationship. Parang you tried, manifesting, tried all that. You tried to turn the situation around. So, what's the solution now? Kasi all of this, no, could actually be your solution, no? Having the idea, having, epiphanies, trying to, like, taking action to expand your horizon, to find that satisfaction that you need. And you have the action cards right here, cards of movement. So I wanted to know what actions you can take. The lovers. I think lovers is a card of choice, no? And sabi nga natin dito, you will have a lot of options. And you will have to make a choice right here. So, ibig sabihin, no, in the near future, you could be having a lot of options in love. That is after uh, transitioning from maybe a relationship that's not fulfilling for you. So let's try to see the likely outcome. Because I still need to, I'm still trying to understand, the lovers, the Seven of Cups. What are the choices? Is there someone, is there someone coming to you? Coming towards Cancer. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands is boundaries. I feel like, although iba yung question ko, pero I could feel that this is one of the challenges, no? You could be placing too much boundaries. Well, of course, boundaries are good, no? Talagang dapat naman lagi tayong establish ng boundaries natin. But then, too much boundaries uh, could also push people away, diba? So, I wanted to know the outcome. One last card for Cancer. Well, Kasi I could feel this in the past or maybe in your current energy. Parang y- you're not fulfilled, no? In in the aspect of your relationship, hindi ka fulfilled talaga. That's why you're walking away. And Eight of Cups is not settling for less. So you're not settling for less. One last card. I wanted to know uh what will be the outcome of these two cards, the Lovers and the Seven of Cups. Medyo drawn ako sa dalawang to eh. Tungkol saan ba tong the Lovers and the Seven of Cups? Mhm. Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands is putting down your burden. Ten of Wands is putting down your burden. Kasi tens are closure, no? End. Or another way to look at this card is that you could be carrying uh a lot of responsibilities that is not yours, no? Responsibilities that are not your own. All right. So I'm trying to ask for the outcome, but it feels like the cards are giving me the challenges. No? Pero the solution with the Ten of Wands is to actually just take, no, the responsibilities that are yours. No, it's it's really just no assessing your life, what things are mine, what responsibilities are mine, what burdens are mine. Seven of Swords is all about strategy. Sige, let me get one card from this deck. I just really wanted to see the outcome. After maybe walking away, if you have walked away in your recent past, establishing boundaries, after putting down the burdens, after having choices, after making a choice, no? What would be the likely outcome for Cancer? I wanted to know. Look at that. You got the Ten of Cups. So the Ten of Cups is a really positive card, a card of fulfillment and a card of complete happiness. So as you can see here, you got the Nine of Cups. Sorry, medyo magulo yung mga cards ko, but yeah, Nine of Cups. You've been seeking for this happiness, no? For this satisfaction. You've been dreaming of this. Look at this. Medyo magulo lang talaga ako magbasa, but you've been dreaming of this Ten of Cups, and that's the outcome. And not that this is what I wanted to see, kaya medyo nagtagal ako sa pagkuha ng outcome. But then, all of the cards kasi are challenges, no? I'm not asking for the challenges na that might come your way. I'm asking for the outcome. After all of this, you will find your Ten of Cups. So that's it. That's what I have for you, Cancer. Thank you so much.